Since the beginning of time, everyone has shared one wish: to have more time. Companies spend a lot of time with manual document processes, like filling out forms and acquiring signatures. At Signashare, our beautifully designed document workflow escalation system was created to give you back your time, simplify your life, and work on every device. With Signashare, you can gather data from web URLs, retrieve data from other systems, and distribute the data into fillable forms for internal escalation. Organize and bundle documents, and request electronic signatures in a specific sequence, or simultaneously via email or text. Collaborate, accept, and reject documents. Sign on the spot with the simple Sign Now feature. Send final documents and data to other systems to be stored and managed. And white label the solution with customizable colors, logos, and email templates. Every filled or signed document at Signashare is encrypted, archived, and securely stored within the cloud. Streamline processes and elevate productivity with Signashare's eTriggers escalation document workflow. Let us give your company increased productivity and give you back the gift of time. Try Signashare today